Oh, just waiting for the rain to stop and hopefully we can get on the water and do some fishing. So waiting for this storm to pass, hopefully soon. Whew, this is crazy. Barely moving. It's really shallow here. Fish some docks and see if the wind dies down and go out a little bit further and fish the weed lines. That's the plan. Got a sunny, running like one. Oh, it's a little bass. Future 5-pounder right here. Another little guy. Hey, at least we're catching fish in this storm. Oh my god, what was that? Stupid bail. Oh, that was a fish. There we go. Got him this time. Come here. Oh no. Nice little bass right underneath that dock and lift there. First time I set the hook and my bill wasn't fully closed. Thankfully he bit again. At least the rain stopped. The wind's still blowing pretty good. So we're still gonna stick to these shallow and just fish docks. Perfect skip. See if anybody's home. Yep. This guy was home. Ooh. Nope, he's a loner. Ooh, that tree though. That tree looks juicy. Looks like a bass mansion. That's if I don't catch the tree pounder first. We're doing this in the wind. Stupid wind. It from a different angle. This wind is crazy. It doesn't look that bad, but it's because this side is the more covered side, or the side that's more shielded away from the wind, and it's still this bad. I'm gonna try to go there, power pole, and see if I can skip a couple casts underneath that lay down. There we go. Look at that. Power pole down, facing at a perfect angle here. All right. It's choppy, so it's kind of hard to skip underneath there too. There we go. See if anybody's home. No little guy's home. Feisty little guy.
Please don't be a pike. And it's not. It's a pretty nice bass. Oh, he was just, yeah, that's a good one. A little bit better one. Thought he was a lot bigger, but I think he was in the grass here. Just like expected. And in the deeper wheel lanes here, the fish are probably a little bit better. Thank you.